There it is.
Yep, there it is.
We got it. All right. All right, so here we go.
We've had a boat christening ceremony. We understand that the Titanic was never christened, and we know where its fate is. The USS Arizona was christened with water, and we know what its fate is. It's lying in the harbor in Honolulu. But today, everyone knows the renaming of a boat will bring nothing but bad luck. Make your boating experience something that you will want to forget. But what happens after months of searching, you find the dream boat with a name that you just can't live without. Since the beginning of time, sailors have sworn that there are unlucky ships, and unlucky ships of all are those who have defied the gods, changed their names, so there are ways to change a name not to incur the wrath of the deities that rule the elements. Here's how. Before taking your new boat out for a maiden voyage, you must have a christening ceremony. A proper christening is a company ceremony ensuring good fortunes to the boat, her crew throughout the life of the vessels. If after any proper christening a vessel has a run of bad luck, it is because the christening was bad and not due to the captain's incompetence or sea monster. So, for your new boat, don't tempt the fate. Perform this ceremony before you take your vessel out for a maiden voyage. We have invited all the important people that we want to be here at this time. This is an auspicious occasion. Everyone has their champagne?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Here we go. For 1,000 years we have gone to sea. We have crafted vessels to carry us and to call them by name. These ships will nurture and care for us throughout perilous seas. So we affectionately call them she, because they're like mothers and take care of us.
That's that.
To them we toast and ask to celebrate a yacht of fun.
Right?
Everybody take a sip.
Everybody take a sip.
One sip. And to the sailors of old,
Sailors of old.
to the yacht of fun.
To the Yacht of Fun.
Here's to everybody.
Following the moves of the sea are many,
Yes.
from tranquil to violent. We ask that this ship be given the strength to carry on. The keel is strong.
Yes. Yes, it
Keeps
is.
out the sea.
Yes, it does. You in there, G. Wherever you are in there. We got one more sip.
Oh, she keeps out the pressure.
She keeps out the pressure of the sea. All right, here we go.
Again,
All right.
with glasses raised to the sea.
To the sea.
To the sailors of old.
To the sailors of old.
To the sea.
To the sea.
Yes, take a sip. Today we come to name a yacht of fun and send her to sea to care for the Mitchell family.
Yes.
Yeah. Yacht of fun.
Yacht of Fun.
Yacht of fun. Yacht of fun. Woo!
Mitchell family.
Oh,
Wait a minute.
Mitchell.
We ask the sailors of old
Oh,
and the
yeah.
rules of the gods
Love that.
to accept a yacht of fun.
Wonderful.
Here we hit it again. A yacht of fun.
A yacht of fun.
That's right.
Yes, whenever you passage and allow her to return with her crew safely.
Yes.
Again, We raise our glasses to the sea.
To the sea.
To the sailors before us.
To the sailors before us.
To a yacht of fun.
To a yacht of fun.
All right, now we gotta pour. We go up, pour that other bottle of champagne
Where's
on
that
the bow.
Where's that at?
Here it is.
Where's that bottle? Oh, somebody hit the can. No, it's gotta be champagne.
This Neptune.
You gotta pay Neptune his.
Oh, absolutely.
Neptune.
You can't drink it down over
No, Neptune will tear you up, won't he?
That's right, honey. For God's sake.
Yeah.
You think
And
you
take-
got bad luck?
Oh,
Take the
hey,
drink.
look. All right, let's pause.
That's right.
Tell pause that. We're gonna bring that up front.
I'll pull it up here, maybe.
No, gotta go in the bow.
Goes on the
Ty, go put
bow.
that up.
Letting some green on the front of the boat, on the bow, so that she knows that her passengers are not sea creatures and they return
No, Earl.
to the shore.
Yes.
And this will help her remember that to bring her cargo and passengers back to shore.
Smell it. Bring them back.
There you go. Pour your champagne.
All of it?
Yes.
Pour some?
Yes. All on the back.
And that's the worst part of the champagne, but hey,
well,
gotta do it.
you gotta
Gotta
do it.
do it.
Neptune will turn your life upside
That's
down.
right, my brother.
He's a life changer. And if he's not happy, if Neptune is not happy, you will not enjoy yourself.
That's right.
All right? You got a phone?
That concludes the ceremony.
All right.
Any champagne remaining, we drink.
We drink.
All right. Yay. Nice ceremony.
Beautiful, brothers. That was perfect. All right, let's roll.
Thank you.
Can't Ty, bring that camera back. Huh?
Let the party begin.
Oh, the party's on now. Let's get out of here. Somebody got to stay up. We just enjoyed the ceremony of the indoctrination of the new name of the boat. Yacht of Fun. Well, we had a fantastic day. We're out here. This has been an awesome weekend. Yeah. Awesome weekend. We just blessed the boat. We just did a christening. And now we're out on the bay. And we celebrate Kennedy's birthday, graduation. And we've been having a ball. G-Pop just did the christening. We got Diaz from church. Kids, take the helm. They're down to eat crab, shrimp.
Look at Boo Boo down there.
G, turn around.
If it's a self, you know what we have to do? I live right there.
Fish everywhere. Fish on right here. This is fish heaven right here, 36. We'll just take a cruise to nowhere.
How was my presentation? A little choppy.
You know? I just cruise to nowhere. We got the family. What do we call it, G?
Ceremonial.
The ceremonious.
Ceremonial G.
The ceremonial G. Alright. Performed an official tissue, as we say. He did it. And it was great. So now we just gonna cruise the bay. You know? Run a little quick show.
It is like the water though. Alright, I'm stopping.
This thing is flat today. What a gods and Neptune has blessed us. It is fabulous. We're on our way. We're gonna go out here to the Leaning Lighthouse. See if you guys can see it. There it is. Go around there and then I'm gonna let Kennedy jump on the helm. But it's just been an awesome. Kennedy's aunts and everybody came in. Kim!
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. Here, take the camera, it's running. Run everybody.
Alright, where's your brown? What you
No,
got?
it's not. Push the right button.
Oh wait.
Here's running.
Alright, go ahead, babe.
Steve, I love you guys. This is fantastic. It's overdue. I miss you. Everything is wonderful. The captain was wonderful. And the Christian is great.
And look at these two.
Dion is here.
Yay!
In the house. In the house.
Yes, yes. Grandma! Yay! Yes! Yes! Signing off. Love you.
Love you. To the sea.
We're retired. Hey! Retired. 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 And Greta will be retired very soon. And Greta will be retired soon.
This is when it gets flat. It's like glass. When the Chesapeake make it like this,
Yes,
tonight,
amen.
it's gonna stir up. But when it's flat, that's what we talk about flat.
Okay. Yes. Never know. Never know. Daddy, where are you? Captain Todd. Captain Todd.
I am having a bet at the closing club. Let's talk about it. The weeks of activity. Last week was the graduation. And, you know, that was just fabulous. My daughter is, I'm so proud of her. You know? And the thing about it is, it's time for her to move to the next level of life. I never thought God was going to bless me this much. To be able to see something like this happen. We live a fruitful life. I don't know why he loves me so much, but he does. And anybody who sees this and knows me, you know, I'm always posting something of positive, you know, of positive. And this is no different. We got loved ones, brothers and sisters.
Hey!
You know, and what else do you have for you? Kev, take a look at how flat the earth is. See, well, let me tell you. Look out there. See how flat it is. That's how flat it is. We are kicking. We're running about 3,000 RPM solid and running for 20 minutes. So we're gonna go to Shark Island's Lighthouse. It's out here.
Yep. There it is. The Leaning Lighthouse of the Chesapeake Bay. Hit the red button.
Alright, here we close. Alright. So, in closing on this piece, I just want to say, man, I love everybody in here, and I hope everybody loves me. But I definitely want to say I want your life to be as fruitful and joyful as mine is. Education is the key. You have your master, your education, because the money ain't shit. Later.
Later.
A yacht of fun, baby! A yacht of fun!
A yacht of fun!
Everybody to a yacht of fun!
No, pilot.
Lord,
Champagne.
I'm shipping.
I can't get my INGs together. ING, pilot. Oh, gee.
Piloting.
That black champagne is terrible, man.
I know, right? The blood.
That was man Kurt.
Blood champagne.
All right, ladies. So I got Dion on the helm. She is now Captain Dion. Kim, I know you're too happy to see your sister. You really are.
I get out of her face.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. And then Bridget Brown and Granny G. We taking the cruise nowhere. All right, you turned it too hard. Let's go back up. We're going out. We're going up there. It only looks like it, but we're going this way. Go port. There we go. Look, we got G. Cruise to nowhere. Everybody chilling, arguing, talking, loving each other. That's what we do. You know, got mommy in the cut. Look at Grana. Grana don't say this. Grana everywhere. Y'all seen this face all around the world. You see that face in Dubai, China. Grana was in Dubai last month, Thailand. I don't know what G talking about. G been talking for a long time. Who is she? That's Bridget Brown, ladies and gentlemen. She's sitting back on the stern. She's in town.
Where you want, girl.
Okay, having a great time.
I can bring you something. I can find you something. I find you whatever it is you're looking for. You need to get in the Kentucky Derby, I'll get you in. I'll let you find out what you need.
Gotcha. Well, you've come down this weekend, Bridget. What was your purpose? How did we get so blessed to have you here this weekend?
Dion, and we love her.
Yes?
We hooked up and got away, Dion. We found each other 30 years.
Right.
And we're all connected. We just gotta connect.
Well, all right.
We have a vision. And we have so much to offer each other. And we love it with so much love. It was so thick and so deep. That we had to be here together. We had to make it happen.
Well, all right. And you did. Dion came in from Georgia. Bridget Brown came in from Louisville, Kentucky. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. How was your weekend? You're right. Wow. Right. Well, all right. So we're on a cruise to nowhere, and that's what we do here on the Yacht of Fun. All right, guys, what's going on over here? G, Cam, your weekend. You want to give a little overview?
I just want you to let the Yacht of Fun know. That's number one thing on any cruises. Because you have a lot of lives that you're responsible for. Yacht of Fun, she's already said. That's right. She said her hull is strong and it keeps out the sea.
Yes.
Therefore, as long as she knows that people aboard her, we're landlubbers, so take us back to make sure it's a round trip. missing for 8 years and reappeared. They don't know where it came from, how it came up, or nothing. But see, they had lost their parents. But the ship, but that's why you had to let her know. Take us back.
All right. Thank you, sir. Kim, I'm sure you're truly excited. You have so much to talk about this weekend. What are you celebrating this weekend?
I'm celebrating my best friend, my parents, and my children, and my grandchildren.
Well, all right. It's been an eventful weekend. Yeah, and we're out.
We're having a ball on a Yacht Of Fun.
You haven't been able to finish off the champagne.
No, we got a yacht of time left too. Yeah, we got a yacht of time left. All right. So another day on the bay. This is what we do. A Yacht of Fun has been blessed in its most positive fashion, and we are just out here cruising. I got some lines in the water. I will be catching not. Today's one of the days we just catch a bug and kick it. This one is filling the water. Oh yeah. Hey. No number twos.
Save it till you get noise.
Yeah, we take it, go right inside to the restaurant. They got a toilet covering and everything.
And you probably got a boathouse there too.
Oh yeah.
A bathhouse.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Shoes. I'm bringing with you.
So we just chilling. Hey. Yeah, you can go definitely use it. You can definitely use it. Flush it too, Kim. So this is the cruise to nowhere. If you don't like it, hey, it's all shame on you. Cruise to nowhere costs you $250 a couple. Yeah, I just turned on. You might smell something, guys.
But let them know, homie. If you should get mission.
No, they don't get that. They don't get that. As the official tissue ceremonious, he will bless your boat, ladies and gentlemen. G, the man. I love him, man. I love that brother. I loved him all my life. God damn. That's him. That's the infamous G, a.k.a. Ceremonious, a.k.a. Pop, a.k.a. Dad, a.k.a. Tommy Mitch, a.k.a. Tommy. He just a couple aliases. That's the brother. That's the man. I bless him. Fun does exactly what it says. Come on. A Yacht of Fun has cuisine, fine dining. What do we have there? Oh my God. Crab legs, shrimp, chicken around, plenty of libations. So, is that what we just snacking on?
Yes, we're having a
little sorry.
at dusk.
We have at dusk, yes.
At dusk.
So, a Yacht of Fun is what it is. If you want it, we got it. A Yacht of Fun. There you go. That must be your jam. That's all they want to do. Beautiful. They ain't seen each other in years. These are lifetime friends. This is my wife's lifetime friend. Jump up. Scanner, you alright back there? I know you love it. My mom is gonna rock anyway. Mom going anywhere. Oh, mom ride or die. Ain't no air in that.
y'all.
Mom do everything.
What do you do?
Jump out of airplanes, ride zip lines, upside down. Mom jumped on the zip line upside down. Where were you then?
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica, in the woods of Costa Rica, inside the tropical rainforest of Costa Rica. You was already rolling, Mom. I love you. It's my girl. Hey, there we go. Yeah, that's what we do. Cruising nowhere. You want it? It's on.